Hi, this is Lana. I just got my Vicks Mini Filter-Free Coolmist Humidifier Vox box. I've already checked it in and I opened it from its original box. Right here. Congratulations, you have been chosen to receive the Vicks Mini Filter Coolmist Humidifier, a humidifier that produces a cool mist with ultrasonic vibration. Doctors recommend using humidifiers when children are sick to help relieve cough and congestion. This humidifier can also help maintain humidity levels between 40 and 60%, which create a more comfortable environment and reduces the survival of flu viruses on surfaces and in the air. Perfect for the winter season. I live in Maine, so it's extremely cold and it's very easy to get sick. I'm still recovering from my sickness and we have a huge snowstorm on the way, so this couldn't be more perfect. So let's open up and see what is inside. So I opened it off screen. What is this? Vicks VapoPads Refill Pad. Okay. Little instruction booklet with some coupons. And here it is. In all of its glory. This plug-in. Anything else? Nope. So this is the base. This little water reservoir here. And here in the front is the scent pack door. I already put the scent pack in there, just kind of sits right here. It's very strong, but soothing. It's definitely got the Vicks punch to it. And then here is the tank, and there is a little lid to kind of lock the water in. And now I'm going to go fill it. So I have it all filled up. Here it is. And let's turn it on. It's already presenting a vapor. You are supposed to fill it with cool water. The vapor is cool to the touch. You can definitely smell the Vicks pack down here. It's very soothing and refreshing. I like it. This is about $40 in stores, and I was fortunate enough to be able to test it complimentary of Influenster. And so far, I give it 2 thumbs up.